Molly Lou Melon opened her
word is eyes.
Eyes wide and grinned.
Yeah.
Her biggest
Say it faster.
biggest grin.
So what did she do?
She opened her eyes and put her biggest grin.
She opened her eyes wide and grinned her biggest grin.
Man, that is a long sentence. I see a grand me.
Is that an E at the end of the word?
Grandma. Shaving.
Look at the word.
Shaved.
The cloud is shaped like the grandma. Yeah. I see a grandma shaped
cloud.
Yeah.
Winking
Mm-hmm.
at me. Okay, so I see a grandma shaped cloud winking at me. And Molly Lou Melon winked